Hi there, here we are with our patient Jamie, and we're going to show you how the suture line healed, show you how the grafted portion healed. So let's take a look at how Jamie's suture line looks at the 10-day point. Stitches were the little eyelets of the suture line. This is where that second suture line is. Just like that. Areas here above and below will heal. This is the old suture line running through here. Will be the new suture line down here. So we'll start growing the new hair all the way around. This was all void of hair. Be back in business. Congratulations! You made it. Now you just gotta wait. How was your experience?
Amazing. Great job, doctor.
Thank you so much.